In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see game release date on EA Sports. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to see the game release date is pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your EA Sports account and browse through the game that you wish or search the name of the game. Once you have found it, go ahead and just tap on it to open more details about the game. And if you go right here, you can see we have release date. For instance, this game was released on 27th of September 2024. You can also go to browse here, and from here you can sort games by release date. If you go ahead and tap on this, now you can either sort them alphabetically, and by choosing any of this, now you should be able to see game release date if you tap on any. So that's how you can find game release date on EA Sports. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.